Tired of forgetting subscriptions and surprise charges? I mean, Truebill helps you track all your recurring bills, and setting up it up takes under a minute. I mean, first, open the Truebill app and log in. If you're new, download it from your app store and connect at least one bank or credit card account, so Truebill can scan your transactions for recurring charges. Next, head to the recurring or bills tab. Truebill automatically identifies subscriptions and scheduled payments and displays them on a calendar. Make sure tracking alerts are toggled on so you'll get notified about upcoming bills and any changes. So, I mean, if any recurring charge isn't listed, just tap Add Bill, enter the details manually, and save. From there, Truebill will keep it on your radar, and that's really it. I mean, all your bill reminders are now active and visible on the app. No more missed payments or hidden fees. If this video helped you stay on top of your finances, hit like, drop your questions below, and subscribe for more smart money tips. And yeah, thanks for watching, and come back for some more videos. And if you definitely do have some comments or questions or doubts, just throw them at me. I'll come back with a video or answer if I feel like that's suitable.